We have the integral x cosine 3x, and this is clearly a product, and because we're looking at a product as the integrand, that's clearly indicative of an integration by parts problem. Anytime you've got a product, the first thought should be IBP. So what we'll do is we'll let u equal x, and then the derivative of u equals the derivative of x, and then we have dv, which in this case is cosine 3x, and we'll have to make sure that we manage the chain rule here since we have a 3 there and it's not just cosine x. So the integral of cosine 3x is sine 3x over 3. And now we've got our finished integration by parts legend. We can go across first and then down and over. And so what we'll write is we'll write x sine 3x over 3 minus the integral of 1/3 out front stemming from this 3 here. We're just going to take that out of the bottom of the integrand and pop it out front of the integral. And then we'll have sine 3x dx by going down and over like so. And so now we just need to solve this integral and we'll have the finished solution. So what we've got is x sine 3x over 3 minus 1/3 times the integral of sine 3x, which is negative cosine 3x over 3. And because this is an indefinite integral, we don't have any limits here. We have to add a constant at the end. So we'll rewrite this and simplify at the same time. We've got x sine 3x over 3, and we've got a negative and a negative, so that makes it a positive. We've got 3 and 3, so we'll have cosine 3x over 9 plus c. And that is the solution to our integral. If you've got any questions, or if you have any other calculus or physics problems you want me to tackle, put it in the comments below. I hope that you found this helpful.